All right, ladies and gentlemen, got a good one for you today. BlitzRock imitation speakers. They got them in two different colors, and I am building out my house, remodeling it, and these are going to be great for my back or front deck for get-togethers, barbecues, you name it. You get what I'm saying. These things are solar powered. How cool is that? So let's get it on open, and just like all my videos, top link in the description box below the video, as well as the pinned comment, are going to be these exact same speakers where you can read more about them, pick them up yourself. I got the darker gray color, but again, the box shows the more kind of like rockish looking material. That might blend into your house a little bit better, but let's get these speakers on out. Alrighty, we got a nice packaging on the speakers, ladies and gentlemen. We got a remote control right here. We got ourselves two rechargeable plugs if you don't have sunshine, like if you live in the UK. Not knocking you, I'm just saying in the UK, you guys got a lot less sunlight days than we do here in certain areas. This is the darker color. You got your manual, and I went for the two speaker system. Again, there are the different colors right there. And let's go ahead and get these out, set them up. All right, looking really sharp. We got our solar panel on the top. Definitely rock looking right there with, of course, the speaker grill in front. Turning it around here, that looks actually really good. I like that little bit of nice coloring in it as well. Obviously, there is a solar panel on top. Coming around, everything blends in. Look at your power ports, just blends in just beautifully there. And the instructions are telling you that they are water resistant. Obviously, you do have some nice little ports here that are water resistant, but again, you might have to do that with two hands so it doesn't slide. Nice little charging port plug right there. So that just puts right back into place here. You got your Bluetooth, and speaking of which, it's raining right now. So the manual does say that if there is pretty heavy weather, to bring the speakers inside, or just put them underneath your patio. That's covered. So we got the Bluetooth button, we got a manual button, and we have the power button right here with a couple indicator lights right on top right here and a pair mode right there. Now, of course, you can pair these speakers together. That's what I'm going to be doing. And on the bottom, nice and flat, so you can put that on your patio deck, etc. The battery inside is a 4,000 milliamp battery, and the wireless range is up to 30 meters, which is 90 feet. That's pretty good. The remote does take two AAA batteries, which it does not come with, so make sure you pick up a couple of those. And once again, under the flap, if you want to manually charge them, that's a 5-volt, 3-amp USB Type-C. Alrighty, the Rock speakers are outside and have been for several hours now. Let me show you. It's a little dim here, but you can see the center LED light is red. That means it is charging by the solar panel. Looking absolutely fantastic on both of them, as we can see there. Again, getting the direct sunlight shining right down on them. Looking absolutely great. These are very, very beautiful. Regarding the color, they match my fire pit here. We'll set these up. We'll get them dialed in here in just a little bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the speakers outside here. I'm going to show you a couple little setups, and we're going to go ahead and give them a little test run, of course, but obviously due to music. But we'll go ahead and maybe play one of my YouTube videos so that we can at least hear sound, but music might be a little bit tougher to give you that example. So we are underneath a beautiful umbrella in the backyard. I'm going to show you a nice little setup in the front yard as well, blending in just beautifully. So I just powered on the speakers. They've been sitting in the sun for at least maybe a couple hours or so, ballpark somewhere right around there. One is 50%, one is 70%. I have not plugged them into the actual outlet to fully charge. I've just let the sun do it, and it will obviously be a little bit slower. So they are powered on right now. I'm going to go ahead and pair them up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, very inviting deck right here. Again, we're not going to play too much. I'll play a little bit, but I have both paired up. The umbrella, right, marigold flowers, my outdoor couch. Let me be quiet for just a second. So they're paired once again. You can only have one speaker if you really want to, but because they're paired, they're going off left and right audio. So we got a little worship Christian EDM music playing right now. Again, I'm going to talk a little bit more over it, but the volume is pretty low and they sound very nice. A good deepness to them because they're large enough speakers to have some good bass and treble. There we go. Hopefully you can hear that. Looking really good from the back there. Again, rock shape to them, good color to them. Be able to put them up on side tables, up on your fire pit when obviously the fire pit's not in use. All right, even though I do live in the country, I still have neighbors. So let me go ahead and not play it too loud, but let me show you here. Got the remote right here. Let's go ahead and pause it right there. And again, it's pausing it over the Bluetooth over my phone, which the phone's inside. So you don't have to have the phone next to you the whole time. You can have your power off button, Bluetooth manual mode. Now these speakers only can play music via Bluetooth. There's no AUX cable, there's no micro SD for playback. I'd like to see Gen 2 with a AUX cable, so you could have your phone out with an AUX cable or a micro SD slot. I honestly am not the biggest fan of Bluetooth, as long as you're not trading your daily habits with Bluetooth all the time. But for the occasional backyard barbecue, a gym session, something like that, I'm not too leery about that, but I would like to see Gen 2 with a AUX port on the back so I could do straight plug-in instead of having to run Bluetooth. Okay, let's go ahead and play it. You can skip songs. Let's go ahead and turn up the volume. Yeah, those sound really nice. A good little beefy bass to them. Very nice. I like it. Let's see, that's probably not even halfway up. Yeah, that's not even, that's like probably 35%, 40% up the sound bar. So those things definitely can pump. And if you've never heard of Christian EDM gospel music, it's literally worship music that a DJ starts doing his DJ spinning to. It's absolutely incredible. All right, let me show you one more setup. I like what I'm seeing though. Or of course, a beautiful shot like this, ladies and gentlemen, having the rock speakers out on your area in front. This is actually my front yard. It's a little bit more dialed in with a beautiful landscape here than the backyard, but speakers looking primal right there in the sunshine. Fantastic. Not to mention, I'm working on my full remodel in the backyard, so having these outside, having a little bit of music going, and the portability as I just trek them out to the front yard, very light. I mean, they're beefy enough, but they're light enough to grab them both, walk them to the front area here without too much of an inconvenience. Not to mention, if you're doing outside workouts, you guys get the idea. They blend in nicely to the landscape with beautiful flowers, as we can see right here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful day today. I'm going to get to a little bit of that remodel work done, charge up the speakers in the sun a little bit more. Free electricity, why not? So I like what I'm seeing. They passed my test. Again, only con would be I'd like to see Gen 2 once again with that AUX cable in the back, so you could plug in a little wire, drape it around. And so with that said, once again, top link in the description box below will be these exact same rock speakers, where you can read more about them and pick them up yourself. But please, just like all my videos, don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and they do intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech reviews, DIY house projects, and more. And if you can see my cute little labradoodle down below, I have videos of her as well. Top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. My name's Chris, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.